Welcome to Factual Empowerment, the channel where you can learn how to empower yourself and achieve your goals. Here, you will find inspiring stories, practical tips, and motivational advice to help you grow and thrive in every aspect of your life. Whether you want to improve your health, wealth, relationships, or happiness, we have something for you. So join us on this journey of empowerment and transformation, and discover your true potential. Do you want to start investing but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best investing apps for beginners that will help you grow your money with little effort and no experience. #investing #apps #beginners. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nick and I'm a personal finance enthusiast who loves to share tips and tricks on how to manage your money better. Today, I'm going to talk about the 5 best investing apps for beginners that will help you start investing with little money and no experience. Investing can be intimidating and confusing, especially if you don't have a lot of financial knowledge or time to research the market. But thanks to technology, there are some amazing apps that make investing easy and accessible for anyone. These apps are designed to help you invest your spare change, automate your savings, diversify your portfolio, and learn the basics of investing along the way. They are perfect for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of investing without risking too much or committing too much. So without further ado, let's get into the 5 best investing apps for beginners. The first app on the list is Acorns. Acorns is an app that lets you invest your spare change automatically. How it works is that you link your debit or credit card to the app, and every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up the amount to the nearest dollar and invests the difference in a diversified portfolio of ETFs. You can also set up recurring deposits or one-time transfers to boost your savings. Acorns charges a monthly fee of $1, $3, or $5 depending on the plan you choose, which includes features like retirement accounts, checking accounts, and cashback rewards. The second app on the list is Stash. Stash is an app that lets you invest in fractional shares of thousands of stocks and ETFs with as little as $1. You can choose from different themes and categories that match your interests and goals, such as clean energy, social justice, or technology. You can also get personalized guidance and education from the app to help you learn more about investing. Stash charges a monthly fee of $1, $3, or $9 depending on the plan you choose, which includes features like banking services, retirement accounts, and custodial accounts for kids. The third app on the list is Robinhood. Robinhood is an app that lets you trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies with zero commission fees. You can buy and sell shares of any company or fund that is listed on the US stock exchanges with as little as $1. You can also access real-time market data, news, and analysis from the app to help you make informed decisions. Robinhood offers a premium service called Robinhood Gold for $5 per month, which gives you access to margin trading, bigger instant deposits, and more research tools. The fourth app on the list is Betterment. Betterment is an app that offers robo-advisory services for a low annual fee of 0.25% of your balance. You simply answer some questions about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals, and the app will create a customized portfolio of low-cost ETFs for you. You can also set up automatic deposits and withdrawals, adjust your portfolio allocation, and monitor your performance from the app. Betterment also offers other features like tax loss harvesting, retirement planning, and cash management for an extra fee. The fifth and final app on the list is Wealthfront. Wealthfront is another app that offers robo-advisory services for a low annual fee of 0.25% of your balance. You also answer some questions about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals, and the app will create a personalized portfolio of low-cost ETFs for you. You can also set up automatic deposits and withdrawals, adjust your portfolio allocation, and track your progress from the app. Wealthfront also offers other features like tax loss harvesting, retirement planning, college savings, and high-interest cash accounts for an extra fee. So those are the 5 best investing apps for beginners that I recommend you check out if you want to start investing with little money and no experience. Of course, these apps are not a substitute for doing your own research and due diligence before investing your money. You should always understand the risks and rewards involved in any investment and be prepared to lose some or all of your money in case things go wrong. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. If you have any questions or comments about the 5 best investing apps for beginners, feel free to leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you and answer your queries. And if you have any suggestions for future video topics, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy investing and stay safe. Bye! Thank you for watching Factual Empowerment, the channel where you can learn how to empower yourself and achieve your goals. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos.